Okay, well, first of all, I am not a sneaker directory. Hello, hi, it is I, minspie. Today's video is about how to start a sneaker collection. First step is pick a silhouette. A silhouette is the shape of the shoe. For example, when Sean Wotherspoon released his Air Max 97s, they came with the silhouette sole of an Air Max 1. So he took the top of an Air Max 97 and the sole of an Air Max 1. That is typically a hybrid silhouette. So two silhouettes that have been merged together to create now a brand new silhouette. Once you've decided the silhouette that you like and the silhouette you're comfortable with, now you need to go and try those shoes on. So the next step would be going into store and trying these shoes on. For beginners, I would only recommend going to these places because this is where I started. JD, Foot Locker and Foot Asylum. These are your top 3 stores to start in when you are just venturing into the sneakerhead game. You don't know if you're gonna like it. You don't want to pay an arm and a leg for a trainer. You just want to see how you like the silhouette, see how you like the designs, and you just want to warm into it. Do not, and I repeat, do not take your ass to Selfridges and say, you know what, even though I'm new to this, I want to see what I'm liking, so blah blah blah. In that Offspring section, I swear you will be trapped because they have the normal section which will have your Nike, your Adidas, your Reebok, but on the other side there's also Balenciaga, Y3, Alexander McQueen's, Off-Whites. There are a lot of big brands on the other side of that Offspring section. In that area is the whole sneaker hall, so it's literally the whole section there is about sneakers, is about trainers. Do not go and fast yourself up and go there and then be mad because you spent £300 without even realizing. You just walked in, you saw something you liked, which isn't bad. You've seen something you like, but it's something that is out of your budget. Not saying it's out of your budget because you're broke. I don't know what job you have, but I just know that especially when you're starting off, start off cheap. But obviously, just because I've said sale as well, don't go and buy any higgity haga thing and then come and tell me, oh, you said sale. Okay, well, I still said look, I still said use your brain. Don't do that. Step 3 would be going straight to the source. So now that you've gone to JD, Foot Locker, Foot Asylum, whatever, you've gone to try on the trainers, you've even bought some trainers, you're liking the fit of these trainers, they're comfortable, they're cute, they're nice. Now go straight to the source. If you liked Air Forces in JD, now go to Nike, the physical store or the physical website, and go check out some more trainers there. What you often seem to find is that in the official websites, you find stuff that you don't even find on any other like sports page. There's some things that are solely distributed through the main manufacturer. Once you know the silhouette you like, you're bound to see so much more and such a bigger variety at the actual source. It's a great way to continue what you've started. Step 4, it's time for the big boys. So if you've made it this far in your sneakerhead game and you've seen a silhouette, you then like the silhouette, you went to go look for cheaper options first to see how you're feeling it, see how it fits, comfortability, everything. You've then gone to the source. You've gone to go and look at more designs of that silhouette. You've gone to go and look at more designs by the brand itself, be it Nike, Adidas, Reebok, whatever. You've gone to go and look. You've also abused your student discount because you are not students forever. Abuse it. Obviously, please check UniDays. I know that I think Adidas, Foot Asylum, JD, Nike, I'm sure they all do student discount, but please check, don't just go by my word. You are now ready for bigger ventures and styles you may not be very comfortable with, but I'm telling you, it's gonna open your eyes to a lot. My personal favorites to shop for my big boys, or if I want to go and just look for something random or something new, would be Selfridges Sneaker Hall / Offspring, and Foot Patrol, Sneakers and Stuff, and Size. The reason why I've mentioned these stores is because I found something special in all of them. Sometimes it hasn't been the cheapest, but then sometimes I'm extremely lucky. If you now are ready to pay more, you are now really into the sneaker game, you're invested, you want to know more about it, you want to see more, you want to explore more, then I would definitely suggest going to these stores I've recommended. Disclaimer, these are my personal favorites. If someone else doesn't like shopping at these stores, so be it, let that be them, you feel me? After this step, the final step would be Raffles. You need to enter with an open mind because you're going to be open to a lot of L's. I know that sneaker collecting can be very stressful when you're just depending on raffles. Raffles are put in place to give everyone a fair chance of buying exclusive and limited edition pairs of sneakers. Look out if it's being released in family pack, and you can check out stuff like this on Soul Supplier, Sneakers and Stuff. There's plenty of blogs that would help you out on if it's family pack, or if it's general release, or if it is a limited edition, how many pairs there might be being released worldwide or just in Europe. You also need to check on where they're being sold. For instance, there was some Off-White Air Max 97s and they were being sold only on Nike. Once is only in one store or a limited amount of stores, like 2 or 3, you need to brace yourself for an L. Also, please be aware that you don't just enter your details in one place for an exclusive release and expect to get it. Me personally, I would recommend putting your details in at least minimum 3 different accounts. So if there's a raffle on End Clothing, go put your details in End Clothing, enter that raffle. If there's a raffle at Sneakers and Stuff, go put your details there. If there's a raffle on Sneakers, go put your deals there. And don't think that, oh, the money's just going to be taken out 3 times. Even if it is, and you're that lucky, even if you're that lucky, you can still sell them online. StockX, you can do resell. That's purely because, you know, you have too many pairs. It's not just because you bought one purely just to resell, because that's trash. You've always got to understand the impact of a release before you just go and say, oh, I'm just going to enter my details one place. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. You will definitely take an L and then you'll be angry. Another point is that raffles are open a couple days before the release. So if there is a release on the 20th, raffles will open from maybe like the 15th or the 16th, or sometimes even a week before. I'm not really familiar with raffle dates because I don't do that many, I can't lie. If you are lucky, your name will be picked out at random and you'll be sent an email saying congratulations, you know, your card has been debited, sneakers are on the way. Keep yourself on sneaker websites, sneaker releases. One account that I follow that is great is Crep Source. Crep Source is amazing, even if it's general releases. He put some sneakers on his account that I'm thinking, how did you even know? Where? What? I'm sure he has sources, but that is my 5 steps on how to start your sneaker collection. My don'ts about starting your sneaker collection is starting expensive, starting because of a hype or a trend, and also do not break your pockets. Don't do that. If you don't have money, don't do it. Don't follow these influencers. The reason why I say that is because they upload sneakers either on the day of release or a couple days after. Do not go on Charlena's page 3 days after Off-White trainers have come out. She's posted, you know, Off-White and her Balenciaga bag. You now will go and say, oh my god, I need. You'll be disappointed. The shoe will not be, the shoe will not be found. It won't be found. Because people like Charlena are actually blessed. They can get their shoes anyhow, how many, whatever price, like they can get their shoes like that. But do not follow an influencer page if you're following to see what sneakers are coming up. Their page is not for that. Their page is for how to style them. For people that have already bought the sneakers even, how can I style them? What can I match with this? Oh, this fit was nice. Oh, this jumper was nice. I want to buy this. Affiliate link. Da 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 da. You know what I mean? Their pages are not there to tell you, oh, this sneaker's coming out in 5 days. So you got to take these precautions. It does sound long. It does sound draining. But this is what you should be doing, okay? If you actually want to grow this collection, if you want more, if you want to look for more, just do that. Guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I know that it may sound draining, it may sound very long, but if you do want to start your sneaker collection, I would recommend starting this way and working your way through until you can get to the top. And then maybe if you want to buy me some products for helping you, I don't mind, you know, some Balenciaga. You know, I don't mind, you know, some cookie. God bless you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share all them things there, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay sweet, and stay safe.